Morning, guys. It is November 6, 2021, Saturday. I got quite a few no-heat calls I got to take care of today, and getting a little chilly. Got down around probably 40 degrees, 35, 40 degrees last night. So there's like frost on the windows and stuff. But I got like at least 3 or 4 no-heat calls right off the get-go here. So actually 4 of them. So it's a little chilly out. And Monday I got to do an oil tank replacement, so I'm going to have to kind of work the weekends here for these people. They want to pay the extra rate, I'll go out and do it. So Saturday's $160 an hour. Regular rate's $125. Sunday's $180. So whatever. I'll do what I gotta do, and oh, phone ringing off the hook again, Mama. Me and Miss Molly are working again, y'all. Yeah, me and Miss Molly are working again. So no heat. She had shut it off because it wasn't working. I told her to shut it off. So, American Standard. That's running. Might have a bad igniter there, maybe. Smell the gas. I bet we got a bad igniter. See if we get any ohms off that. We got any ohms. Open line, so that's a bad igniter. I should have that in the truck. That should be an easy fix. I think it's just a bad igniter, so that's an easy fix.
Probably could use service on it too. Right?
Yeah. There's our problem. Easy fix. See it? It's broken. It's not firing up because of that. How cold was it in there?
62.
Alright, so that went. That should go in there. Got started. flame sensor while I'm here. Dirty. Yeah, I got a lot of calls this morning already. Like
Really?
4.
Yeah.
No heat.
Wow. On top of the others that you had this week, right?
Yeah, so I just gotta kind of keep going.
So you might, while you're out, might as well do a few more, right?
Well, the no heat kind of like takes precedent, right?
Yeah. So.
Unfortunately.
It's a no heat day, huh?
Well,
First
a couple
customer.
of them, we'll see. I mean, they call me and, you know, sometimes they're calling 10 people at once.
Yeah, it's pretty cold today. You can see the frost on the car.
We'll have to see if, you know, when I'm ready to go, if they still need me.
Yeah.
It's gonna run now. We're cleaning the flame sensor, so it's basically getting the service.
Okay.
The filter's been changed recently, right?
Yeah.
Alright,
Almost
I'll
set.
try it again. It should glow. There's definitely a problem. Glow and then she should fire. Houston, we have ignition. New hot surface igniter and clean flame sensor.